Hello and welcome to the ICSE 10 Physics tutorial. एक शायर की दो लाइन सुने then we'll start. शायर कहता है, मेरी जुबान से मेरी दास्तां, मेरी जुबान से मेरी दास्तां सुनो तो सही, यकीन करो न करो मेहरबान सुनो तो सही. मेरी जुबान से मेरी दास्तां सुनो तो सही, यकीन करो न करो मेहरबान सुनो तो सही. लबों को सी के जो बैठे हैं बज़्म दुनिया में, लबों को सी के जो बैठे हैं बज़्म दुनिया में, कभी तो उनकी भी खामोशियाँ सुनो तो सही, कभी तो उनकी भी खामोशियाँ सुनो तो सही. Okay, today's topic is actually it's continued. We already started TIR in a triangular glass prism. Different cases. The first case was that we have already done TIR in an equilateral prism, glass prism. Today we are doing TIR in 30, 60, 90 degree prism. Now see how the question is asked in the examination ICSE. May it be home examination, your terminal examination, prelim or whatever, or the ICSE board examination. The question is asked, an incomplete diagram will be given and you will be asked, the question will be asked like this: copy and complete the diagram till the ray of light emerges out of the prism. So how much will be given? This prism and this red arrow. Sorry, let me call it ray, the ray of light, this red one. So this red one, the ray of light, and this one prism. This, all these things, this normal that you have to do. So the question is copy. So first of all, you have to copy in your answer script. Don't do in the question paper. Repeatedly I tell you. So copy and then complete the diagram till the ray of light emerges out of the prism. It comes out of the prism. It comes out of the prism. It comes out of the prism. Alright. In this case, suppose this is our in red. This is the incident ray given. It is falling normally. See this 90 degree normally. When it falls normally, you have seen in last video also we discussed, it will go straight. So this we are drawing, you are drawing, I am drawing, right? This ray is going straight till here without suffering any refraction because it falls normally. I is 0, so no refraction takes place. Now when it reaches here at this point, now the question is whether it will suffer TIR, total internal reflection, or it will emerge out of the prism. That depends on the angle of incidence, this angle of incidence, this angle of incidence. If this angle of incidence is more than the critical angle, which is 42 for the glass air surface, then TIR will take place. And if it is 42, then it will go parallel. And if it is less than 42, then the ray of light will emerge out of the prism. No TIR will take place, normal refraction will take place. So in this case, see, this is a 30, 60, 90 degree prism. Alright, the ray of light is going straight till here it is given, this we are drawing, and this arrow also to show that this is a ray of light. At this point, now see, this is 30 degree, this is 90 degree, so this will be 60 degree. 30, 60, 90, total is 180. If this is 60 degree, then this will be 30 degree because this red one is a normal. So total is 90 degrees. So if this total is 90 degree and this is 60, so this will be 30 degree. 30 means it is less than the critical angle. So no TIR will take place and the ray of light will emerge out of the prism. Refraction will take place, the ray of light from here. Alright, this picture is over. Now from here. Now the ray of light is traveling from denser to rarer medium. Right? This part, denser to rarer medium. So the refraction will take place. No TIR is taking place as I told you because the angle of incidence 30, which is less than the critical angle. So normal refraction will take place, and because it is traveling from denser to rarer medium, so it will go away from the normal. The actual path of the ray is this. It would have traveled like this, so it is going away from the normal. This is one case. Now second situation, see here the ray of light is falling on this surface, this face, which is opposite to 60 degree. Here it is falling on the diagonal, right, opposite to 90 degrees. So what happens? Again, this much is given, this much is given, this you are drawing, you are bringing till here. The ray of light is coming till here. Why stayed? Because it is falling normally. No no refraction is taking place. It goes straight because it is falling normally. I is 0, angle of incidence is 0. At this point, now again one is denser medium, one is rarer medium. So what will happen? That depends on the angle of incidence. Angle of incidence here is 30 degree again. This angle is 30 degree. Why 30 degree? 30, this will be 90, this is 30, so this will be 90 because normal. If this is 90, then this will be 60. If this is 60, so this will be 30, then only 30 plus 60 will be total 90. This is normal or 90? So 30 means again the angle of incidence, which is 30, is less than the critical angle, so refraction will take place. The ray of light is traveling from denser to rarer medium, so it will go away from the normal. The actual path of the ray should have been this, but because refraction is taking place and the ray is traveling from denser to rarer medium, so it will go away from the normal. This is normal, so away from the normal. The third case is, now see here, opposite to 30 degrees, see this face. Alright, the ray of light is entering from this side, again normal, so it will go straight till here because no refraction will take place. I is 0. Now here again, let us find out the angle of incidence, this angle. In these cases, the angles were here also 30, here also 30, which is less than 42. Now in this case, this is 60 because 30, 60, 90 degree prism it is given. So 60, this is 90 normal, so this will be 30. If this is 30, so this will be 60 because this total will be 90. No, it's normal. The red line is normal. If this is normal, so this total will be 90. This is 60. If this is if this is 30, this is 60. This is 90. So this will be 30. This angle will be 30. So if this is 30, so this will be 60. That means in our case, the angle of incidence is 60 degrees. 60 means more than the critical angle. So TIR will take place. Right, that means the ray of light will totally internally reflected back in the same medium, denser medium. So if angle of incidence I is 60 degrees, so angle of reflection will also be 60 degrees. So this is 60, this is 60, and the ray of light is suffering TIR. It reaches till here, then again at this point what will happen? The question is what will happen? Will it suffer again TIR, or let me draw this normal. This is the normal. This is the normal. Alright. So again what will happen? That will be decided by this angle. This angle. Fine. Angle of incidence. So you see that this angle of incidence in this case is 30 degree, which is less than the critical angle. So no TIR will take place and the ray of light will emerge out of the prism like this. Because again it is traveling from denser to rarer medium, so it will go away from the normal. I hope the three cases are very, very clear. Okay then. Thank you so much. Thanks.